So, Samsung might be about to do something genuinely weird with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Plus, we've got 3 more updates on the phone, so let's get into it. What's up, guys? Mr. Fanova here. So, if you've been following Samsung long enough, you know they're usually pretty generous when it comes to pre-order deals. Their most famous one by far is the free double storage offer, where early buyers get bumped up to the next storage tier at no extra cost. That's usually around $120 in value, and considering Samsung doesn't give you expandable storage anymore, this has been one of the few pre-order bonuses that actually mattered. But with the Galaxy S26 lineup, that offer might be on the chopping block. According to South Korea's trusted ET News, Samsung is considering discontinuing the free double storage pre-order bonus for the S26 lineup, and the reason is pretty straightforward. Rising component costs, especially memory chips, combined with ongoing supply pressure, are forcing Samsung to rethink these kinds of incentives. The same report also says Samsung is considering price increases for the S26 lineup in some markets. We don't know exactly which ones yet. Korea is almost certainly one of them, but another Korean report suggests the US could keep the same pricing as last year. That lines up with an earlier report saying Samsung wasn't planning a price hike at all. So the likely scenario here is that prices go up, just not everywhere. The US and a few select regions might be spared. And this isn't just a Samsung problem. The report also mentions that the iPhone 18 lineup is expected to see a price increase as well. Apparently, the A20 Pro chipset costs nearly double what the A19 Pro costs in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this pricing pressure isn't brand-specific, it's an industry-wide issue at this point. Now, the good news here is that the decision to remove the double storage pre-order offer is not final. This is still internal discussion. Nothing has been locked in yet. So there's still hope this doesn't actually happen. And honestly, it would be a strange move if it did. That double storage deal has been one of Samsung's strongest incentives, benefiting both buyers and Samsung itself by boosting early sales numbers. Next up, we recently saw a hands-on demo of the new Bixby powered by Perplexity, which is launching with the S26 lineup on One UI 8.5. But Samsung's partnership with Perplexity goes beyond just upgrading Bixby. Android Authority discovered that the S26 lineup will ship with Perplexity app pre-installed. On top of that, you'll be able to launch it using HeyPlex voice command, similar to how Gemini works. You can even use the command when the display is off. Again, very Gemini-like. Code strings also show that Perplexity is being deeply integrated into Samsung's system framework, so this isn't just a basic app install. The whole HeyPlex experience appears to be custom-built specifically for Samsung devices starting with the S26 lineup. Which sounds great on paper, but it also raises an obvious question. Does this mean the S26 lineup will ship with 3 AI assistants out of the box? Gemini, Perplexity, and Bixby? Yeah, based on what we're seeing, that looks like exactly what's happening. Next up, here's a video showing the Galaxy S26 Ultra next to the S24 Ultra. And just to be clear, the S26 Ultra you're seeing here is a dummy unit. Now, I'll be honest, the S24 Ultra is my favorite Samsung design of all time. The sharp, boxy look is what the Note lineup was famous for, and it does sting a bit seeing Samsung move away from it. It's not that the S26 Ultra looks bad, it doesn't. But if Samsung had simply refined the S24 Ultra design instead of softening it, I think that would have been the better move. That said, there are a few things you can clearly notice here. The camera lenses on the S26 Ultra are noticeably bigger, and that likely has to do with larger apertures this year. Bigger glass usually means better light intake, so at least there's a functional reason behind the visual change. Now, let's talk about this next story because it's been gaining traction. Ice Universe shared that according to some leaks, the official color names for the S26 Ultra could be Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galaxial Blue, and Ultraviolet. What immediately caught people's attention is that unlike the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, these names don't include the word titanium. That has led some to speculate that Samsung might be ditching titanium altogether and switching back to aluminum, similar to what Apple did with their latest iPhones. But is that actually happening, or are people jumping to conclusions? Well, here's the issue. Look, this leak comes from someone claiming they saw an Instagram ad in Indonesia showing these color names alongside an image of a purple S26 Ultra. The ad wasn't from Samsung, it was from a retailer, and the phone in that image doesn't even look right. When you boost the brightness and highlights, the frame is way too rounded. The real S26 Ultra has a flatter frame with soft edges. The camera layout looks off too, and most importantly, there's a faint text in the image that reads something like "Download Planet Gadget," which only shows up when you crank the highlights. I'm pretty sure this image was generated using Gemini, so the image itself isn't from Samsung, and since the color names come from the exact same source, I wouldn't put much weight on those either. Look, just to be clear, I'm not saying the S26 Ultra is definitely sticking with titanium, because honestly, I don't know. But until we see something concrete, let's not jump to conclusions and assume Samsung is suddenly running back to aluminum either. That said, Samsung is currently offering some solid discounts on their latest phones and wearables. Watch more tech videos on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tech updates. This is Mr. Fanova. Thanks for watching.